Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gogia. I am the Holistic Health Coach. Today's Hukamnama from Sachkhand Shri Darbar Sahib Amritsar by Shri Guru Amar Das Ji at tongue 798 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji is a deep reminder of how the Guru can transform our inner world. Bilawal Mahalla Tija, Gurpure te vadiyai pai, which means from the perfect Guru I have obtained glorious greatness. Achint Naam Vasya Man Ai, which means the Naam, the name of the Lord, has spontaneously come to abide in my mind. Guruji further says, which is very profound, Home Maya Sabad Jalai. Through the word of the Shabad, I have burnt away egotism and Maya. Dar Sache Gurute Sobha Pai, which means through the Guru, I have obtained honor in the court of the true Lord. This Hukamnama says that the real greatness is not position, money or fame. These come and go. True greatness is when the mind is peaceful and ego no longer controls us. Now you may ask, but isn't money and fame and power also important? Yes, they are useful, but useful is not the same as ultimate. See, logic is simple. Money buys food, house, medicine. But once needs are met, more money doesn't mean more peace and happiness. Fame gives attention, but also stress and pressure at the same time. Ask famous people, how do they feel? Position gives power, but also fear of losing it. Science agrees. A Princeton study showed that after a certain income, money does not increase daily happiness. Another research proves mindfulness reduces anxiety and stress hormones, something money alone cannot do. So Gurbani and science both say outer success has limits, but inner peace gives lasting greatness. Think of two people. One has money and fame, but is restless, angry and sleepless. The other has a simple living, but with gratitude and remembrance. The first one looks big outside, but the second shines inside. Which one has true greatness? So the Guru's wisdom burns ego and desire. So Naam can settle naturally in the mind. Then greatness is not borrowed from the society, it radiates from within. So today's Hukamnama's message is very clear and simple. Earn what you need. Use money well. But don't forget the real honor, the real vadiyai comes only when the mind is at peace with the divine wisdom. So let's implement today's Hukamnama. Here's a small assignment for you before I close it. Take just 5 minutes today. Write down two things. First is, what ego or desire troubled me the most today? Second is, one small moment when I felt peace or in gratitude. So implement today's Hukamnama and then you share your experiences with me. Take care, be balanced, be happy. Tan Shri Guru Amar Das Ji, Sarbat Da Pala, Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.